So guys, we are here on the best crypto cards in 2024. The first crypto card that we want to show you is of course the Binance card. At this moment, maybe this is the best crypto card that you can find. To receive this crypto card, you only have to sign up on Binance. You have to create your account. And while you log in inside your account, you have to go on Finance and Binance card. From here, if you still don't have the Binance card, you can ask to Binance to receive your crypto card. It's completely free to ask your Binance card. And when you receive it, you have your Visa Binance debit card. This is a debit card that you can use all over the world. And if, for example, you lose this card, you can ask to Binance to receive a new Binance card just paying 20 euros. So even if you lose your Binance card, you can ask a new one. To use this Binance card, you only have to deposit some money inside Binance. Or also if you already have some money, some cryptos inside Binance, you only have to transfer this crypto from your spot wallet to your Binance card. To do this, you only have to select Wallet, Funding Wallet. From here, you select Transfer, and you can move your cryptos from your fiat spot to your funded wallet. In this way, you can move your money, your cryptos from your wallet to your Binance card. One of the main things about the Binance card is that there are some levers that we have in this list here. And as you can see, the most important thing is to have BNB inside our wallet. In fact, to increase our level, for example, from level 1 to level 2, we need to have a monthly average balance of 1 BNB. And we are in the second level. And if we are on the second level, we have the 2% of cashback rate with a monthly cashback limit of 100 euro. This means that in a month, we can't have a higher cashback of 100 euro. So even if we spend 20,000 euros, the cashback that we'll have on the second level is 100 euro. Instead, if we have a monthly average balance of 10 BNB, the cashback limit will increase to 150 euro and the cashback rate will be 3%. So the levers of the Binance card are based on the amount of Binance coin that we have inside our wallet of Binance. So of course, to have a higher cashback of this Binance card, we need to have a high amount of Binance coin inside our wallet. But if we don't have a high amount of BNB, the only limit is that we won't use this cashback, but we can still pay in every physical store, but also on every online stores. From here on Manage, if we lose our card, we can select Freeze, then we will lock our card. So if someone has find our card, he won't be able to use it, so just a regular credit card. And also if we click on Card Statement, we'll have the statement of all the operation that we did in the last month or in the last year. So as you can see, the Binance card is just a regular credit card. The only difference is that we can use it spending our cryptos inside Binance. So we have to deposit money inside Binance, but this money can be converted to some cryptos like USDT, like Binance, like Bitcoin, and these cryptos can be spent like some regular money. So, the second best crypto card that we recommend you is the card by crypto.com. In fact, if we go on crypto.com, on products and metal Visa cards, we have these crypto cards by crypto.com. We can receive this crypto card for free, so we only have to ask crypto.com to send us their crypto.com card. But with this basic card, we won't have any benefits. We can just use it to spend some cryptos instead of euros or dollars. Instead, if we stake 350 euros with the crypto CRO, that is the crypto by this crypto.com exchange, we can have this Ruby Steel card with 1% of cashback with a limit of $25 monthly, and we'll have Spotify for free for the first 6 months. But also if we have 3,500 euros with the CRO stake, we have a 2% of cashback with a limit of $50. We have Spotify for free, Netflix for free, And we have this airport lounge access included with these royal indigo and jade green. So as you can see, there are some different benefits by the Binance card. And also with the obsidian and the frosted rose gold and icy white card, we have a higher amount of cashback and some more benefits that are one of the main difference by the Binance card. So as you can see, we have Amazon Prime, we have Expedia, we have some bonus rewards. So these are some benefits included with these cards, but I remember you that to claim these specific card, we need to have a really high amount of money staked as a CRO inside crypto.com. So to have this Obsidian card on the specific, we need to deposit at least $350,000 to convert this money to CRO, the crypto by this exchange, and to stake this money inside the exchange. In this way, we can claim this debit card. This debit card, just like the Binance card, can be used all over the world, on some physical stores, but also on some online stores. It works like a regular Visa debit card, but with some benefits that can be Spotify, Netflix, or also some cashback. So guys, these are definitely the best crypto cards that we can find. I remember you that to claim these crypto cards, we have to create an account on Binance or on crypto.com. You can find the link to sign up on this exchange in bio. If you have some more questions about these crypto cards, write a comment below and we will answer you. We will help you if you have some doubts. So guys, that's it for this video about the crypto cards. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to follow our next videos, subscribe to the channel. And guys, that's it for this video. Let's see in the next one.